Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can use AI agents in Enterprise Search. First of all, click on AI Agents. Here you'll find all the existing agents provided by Kroolo. You can use any of these agents, or you can create a custom agent for your specific needs. Go to User Created. Then you can click on Create Agent to create a new one. You can also update existing agents. Simply click on three dots, then click on Edit. Here you can update the instructions and change the AI models. You can also give access to specific tools by clicking on Tools. From here, you can enable or disable any of the tools and actions. Now let's jump to the chat section to use these agents. This is where we can use the agents. Simply type what you need. Then click on AI Agent to select your agent. From here, choose the desired agent. We will use the Digital Marketer agent. Next, you can give access to tools by clicking on Tools. Here you can enable or disable tools as needed. We will keep it as it is and then hit Send. Here we have 10 hooks for boosting brand awareness that we can use. If you want to explore more variations, just refine your request and it will generate additional results. You can copy the results from here or export it as PDF or Markdown format. That's how you can use AI agents in Enterprise Search. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.